Yesterday, I was talking about what bullish reversal would look like, and I described the price rising up through the gap zone and closing high off of a very tall green candle. And today we saw that. I thought it would take one more day that we'd touch 970, and then maybe on Thursday we'd see this big rally. But we actually had it today, which is a fantastic. Switching to the daily chart, here we go. This is like the 4th or 5th time I'm recording this. I had some technical issues, so I am going to go through this just like as quickly as I can at this point. It was exciting today. It was, and there's still more work to be done, but I think that this is our bullish reversal confirmation. This chart pattern, these 2 days with the green coming up and closing up into the first candle, this is a downside gap 3 method. The theoretical performance is bearish continuation, but Bulkowski tested it, and he says, nope, it's bullish reversal 62% of the time. And when Bulkowski disagrees with theoretical performance, you can trust him. The bullish doji is supposed to be a bullish reversal pattern, but Bulkowski says it's bearish continuation, and that was true in the last month on SPY. I won't go into that now. Let's have a look at the 1-minute chart. Get in here and look at this rally, this beautiful rally. Before we do, though, I should probably comment on the RSI making a hard turn to the upside. And sure enough, I thought that these two volume spikes here were the beginning of an increasing volume trend, and that is true. Implied volatility is positively correlated to the price now. This looks like really good potential. This looks really good. Is this day one? Is this day one? I really think it might be day one. Going into the 1 minute now and zooming out and pulling the chart over, opening up my day trading drawings. You can see yesterday I bought a call and a put. This was a protective put, but I increased my call position here because this was a bear trap, and I knew it. You can see this rally. It's huge. Let's zoom in a little bit, get an idea of what's going on. We had an uptrend start yesterday. It did break down, but the gap to this morning brought that back to life. And there was some bearish divergence along the way while the price was pushing higher against horizontal levels of support and resistance and an incoming downtrend. You can see 1, 2, 3 times this uptrend came into really clutch position where it pushed the price back up to the downtrend, eventually breaking that and sending the price into a rally which accelerated. I wanted to actually show something in here. There is an ABC correction, a measured move up, 1, 2, and 3. This move is perfect. This is beautiful. I really wanted to show this. You can see how this incoming uptrend and this incoming downtrend form this consolidation pattern in this pennant. And as the price pushes up over the downtrend, it gets pulled back down, forms a bottom, comes back up, ultimately breaking down, finding support on the uptrend until it breaks through that intermediate downtrend, and boom, boom, boom. Big bullish candles confirming the move higher, sending the price into an accelerated uptrend. Wow, euphoric, and then boom, a correction. And the price here did not reach the uptrend. That is a partial decline. It's very, very bullish. At this point in time, I was analyzing the price in a channel like this. And when you have a channel and the price comes down and doesn't touch the extreme or the opposite side before turning around, that is either bullish or bearish, depending on which way you're going. This time it was bullish, and the price did push higher. And here you have another 1, 2, 3, another massive move higher, and the price just kept rising. It just keeps going, and I'm sure Elliott Wave analysts are looking at this. Just look at this: 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! How many waves did we get there, right? Corrective phase: 1, 2, 3, and this was a high and tight flag, and sure enough, 1, 2, 3, another one, and it was part of a bigger move too. Here's another 1, 2, 3. It was just all day watching this thing, and we reached a consolidation, and it exploded a little bit again. Like, oh my god, the rise in volume in the end. Oh, it was such a good day. It was such a good day. I'm so relieved to see the price doing this stuff. It's fantastic. Let me turn on the daily chart. This is exciting too. Maybe this video isn't very analytical. It's just like, I don't know. I think I'm tired of doing takes because I've done too many takes. So yeah, this is my squeeze theory. And if the price were to just like explode, this is what I think that would look like. And this is a vlog, so you know, don't think that this is gonna happen on my account. I mean, this is speculation, but I mean, look at it. I called the bottom. I called the bottom right here, May 8th. I said, yeah, we're going to come down here. We're going to find a bottom. We're going to bounce. And then I said, you know, I bet you that we're going to just rally. We're going to break this downtrend and rally. And I wasn't expecting to form a second double bottom. Look, this is technically double bottom here on those pipes. These pipes are also double bottoms. Now we have a double bottom with double bottoms inside of a double bottom. That's the top of a double bottom. Blah, 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 blah. This is nuts. So I'm looking forward tomorrow a breakout of this downtrend from 34. We're very close to it. Today's candle looks like a candle that I drew in the start of this massive run up. And I didn't draw it. It's just the candle. So I'm wondering if tomorrow's candle will look like this. If tomorrow's candle looks exactly like this, that is like best case scenario, bullish confirmation, 100%. Jack to the tits. I'm getting too excited. I'm getting way too excited. But you know, when you hold through the bear trap, you hold a call through the bear trap, that feels good. And I called the bottom here, and I played this downtrend the whole time. I wasn't fooled once. I said way back here when the price broke out, you know, I said, hey, you know, if this breaks, it could run to 34, and it did. I didn't think it would, but it did, and that happens a lot where I say, hey, the analysis supports this, but I don't think that's going to happen, and it does. That happens a lot. Like this big rally up. This would be one of those things I say, yeah, that's probably not going to happen, but you know, maybe it does, and then maybe all that happens too. I don't know. That'd be cool, right? But I've been calling this. I've been calling this like really well. Even back here when the price entered this weird double bottom consolidation pattern, whatever it was, I said, you know what, I'm gonna stop day trading because we're gonna be grinding sideways for a while, and we did. And way back here I said we're going down, and we did. So like, yeah, I'm excited. I'm very excited, and I don't want to like create undue hype. I really don't. I mean, after all, I put up with a lot of just trash and garbage from people for being a bear, you know, while the price was falling. And then guess what? Now I'm feeling really bullish, and that's okay. And that's okay. This is where I'm at right now. I'm just like, giddily, like trying to be cautiously optimistic. Don't get too excited. Keep your head on straight. We're not out of the woods yet. This downtrend needs to break. We need to close above 1422 to confirm that double bottom, and then I can start realistically putting price targets up here towards 25. If 25 gives, that's when we start talking about 54. Oh my God. It's just all happening so like perfectly. I'm gonna just, what am I at? 7 minutes? Are you kidding? Goddamn. Okay, so we're just gonna breeze through the index funds here. SPY, you can see there's a downtrend. Ooh, it tried to get through there. I'm gonna zoom in on that. Maybe there's something for me to see there. That looks like a pretty healthy uptrend to me. I'm gonna go ahead and draw these trend lines. I'm not gonna use these pipes. Pipes are terrible for that. I'm gonna use this candle instead. And yeah, the uptrend that started yesterday held all through the day today, and it wasn't as extreme as AMC, of course, because it's SPY, but there you go. It looks like there might be a pennant shaping up in here with this horizontal level of support and resistance. You can see nice 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry if you hear my phone buzz. And that looks like a breakout. Now we're testing that breakout price, and it did push up off of it, meaning that tomorrow could be a bullish breakout of SPY. Breaking that downtrend would be extremely bullish. Extremely bullish. I'm going to zoom out again to the 1 day. I got to look at the 1 day again. Because that is awesome. I'm just going to do a trend line mirror price target on SPY. So you take the height of the pattern, which is the downtrend. So you take the low, the most distant low from the downtrend, and it's about the same there to there. So let's use this one. You supply it to the breakout price, that same height. So this would suggest that the price, if it can close above the downtrend tomorrow, is signaling a move up towards 425. That puts you up towards the level of horizontal support and resistance here, which would be a left shoulder. This would be a double topped head, so a complex head and shoulder bottom, or a complex inverted head and shoulder pattern. That's what looks like is shaping up here. Again, that needs one more green day to confirm, and that's amazing, because if it can do that, actually, you'll see here, this is a bigger pattern we're inside of, and this is a descending, broadening wedge. And if the price can break that downtrend, it's realistic to see the price move all the way back up to the top, which would be at 435, give or take. And if SPY can make a move like that, the markets are going to go nuts, including AMC. And I have to look at GME after I look at IWM. IWM, yeah, that is a breakout. That is a breakout of a downtrend. Look at that. Yes. Yes. Okay, let me see if I can make this downtrend a little harsher so that it's not so easy to break. No, yeah. That's good. That's good. That's really good. Really good. Yep, because that's the same downtrend. And then, you know, of course, the downtrend to break here would be this one. And I can definitely see that happening sooner rather than later. This is nasty. What a nasty sell-off we had in IWM. That was wicked. It's no wonder everyone's feeling so bearish. But let's look at GameStop. This is where it's really at right now. That. Yes. Oh my God. It's so good. I know I don't do much analysis on GameStop, but that's because this is, I decided that I would approach AMC how I want to, and then I was just going to absolutely diamond hand GameStop. So, you know, I have shares of both, but I don't look at GameStop as much because that's not what you do when you hold long. You don't look at the price. So this downtrend from from the all-time high is still firmly in place like it is with AMC, but the price is a lot closer. It's a lot closer. And we have had bigger days, you know, in the past, even recently, right? But this broke a downtrend, and that's why it's so exciting. Volume was pretty good too. Yeah, so big things, big things, big things. The markets could really go up from here. And if they do, I'm going to be very, very, very happy. Sorry this video is kind of weird, but again, I had some technical issues, and then it's just like, it's like, you know, we're still waiting for these bullish confirmations, but we did get a big move today, right? So, I don't know. Yeah, you can see where I'm at. So that's all for today. Happy trading.